A painter had the right to color on a boat. During the work, he saw a hole in the boat and also repaired that hole. After completing the painting, Austin took his wages from the owner of the boat and went home. 2 days later, the vessel called him again and checked a large amount of money. On the painter's inquiries, he told her that the next day, without her children, the boat carried her and marched to the sea. And when he thought that there was a hole in the ship, he was distressed. But when the evening kids smiled, they were surprised. He said to the painter, "This money is not your reward for your kindness, but a lesser expression of love for you from me. There will be a lot of small things in your life that don't work. Except they do it. Notes the good will never fail. It saves no one's life. It causes no one's happiness. Positive thinking and positive character are the same success. Rejoice and be glad. If the video looks good, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon button for more video.